Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to show your About section to everyone on WhatsApp using the desktop app. If you've just updated your WhatsApp and want to make sure your About info is visible to all your contacts or even people who aren't saved in your list, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet. The interface might look a little different from your phone, but don't worry, everything you need is right there on the screen. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings button. Click on it to open your WhatsApp settings menu. This is where you can control how your account appears to others, manage privacy options, and update your personal info. Next, in the settings panel, find and click on privacy. This section lets you manage who can see your online status, profile photo, last seen, and of course, your about message. These settings are important if you want to keep your information either private or open to everyone. Now, find the option labeled About and click on it. You'll see a few different privacy options like My Contacts Accept, and Nobody. But if you want your About section to be visible to everyone, simply select Everyone. This means anyone who has your number saved or who starts a chat with you can see your About text. Once you've selected Everyone, WhatsApp saves your choice automatically. You don't need to press any confirmation button. It's done the moment you make your selection. Now your About info is visible to everyone across WhatsApp, whether they're on mobile or desktop, and that's it. You've just adjusted your privacy settings in the new WhatsApp desktop update. It's quick, simple, and helps you stay connected the way you want. Don't forget to check out your other privacy settings while you're there to make sure everything fits your preferences.